Basic one.
Which grade are you studying?
4B.
Do you love your teachers?
Yes.
Do you love Koshish school?
Yes.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a football player.
Great.
Yeah. My name is Baris Sirwan. I study in 4th grade 4B. I love my school. I love my teacher. I study in Koshish school. In the future, I want to be a football player.
سلامنا روزانە لە قوتابخانەی کۆشش پۆلی یەکەم برایەکەشم ناوی ڕۆڤانە. سڵاو من ناو ڕۆڤانە لە قوتابخانەی پۆلی یەکەم ئەوش برایەکەمە ناوی ڕۆدا.
My name is Lena. My dad's name Neva.
Which grade are you studying?
4B.
Do you love your teachers?
Yes.
Do you love your friends?
Yes.
Do you love Koshish school?
Yes.
Good. What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
My name is Mina Nival.
Which grade are you studying?
4B.
Do you love your teachers?
Yes.
Do you love Koshish school?
Yes.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a teacher.
Hello guys, my name is Mustafa and I'm Koshish school and I'm grade 1 and I love, this is my brother and he name's Ahmadi and I love Koshish school. Hello guys, my name is Ahmed and this is my brother and his name is Mustafa and I'm in the same class and I'm the same class and I'm in group 1 and I like Koshish.
من ثانية من پۆلی دوو من لە قوتابخانەی کۆششم من توانم هەیە ئەقڵێک ناوی ژوانە ئەزەقڵێکیش ناوی ڤارینە
من ناوم ژوانە لە پۆلی دوومە لە قوتابخانەی کۆششم من دوانم هەیە ناوی ڤانگە ڤارینە.
سڵاو من ناوم ڤارینە ئەمە پۆلی دووەم لە قوتابخانەی کۆششم من ڤانیە و ڤارین ینی ڤانیە و ژوان و دەوانی منن.
What's your name?
My name is Linda.
Which class are you studying?
I'm in Koshish school and I study in grade 5B.
Do you love your teachers?
Yes.
Do you have any brother or sister in Koshish school?
Yes. I have one brother and his name is Muhammad Faridun.
Do people outside of Koshish school recognize your face or they can't find any differences?
No, they can't find any difference.
Right? Do you love Koshish school?
Yes.
What do you want to be in the future?
In the future, I like to be a doctor. My name is Lina. I am in Koshish school and I learn in grade 5B.